What's going on today, viewers? This video is really quick. I'm just going to show you guys how to start up a Kubota tractor like in the winter. It's about minus 19 here right now this morning. It's a winter wonderland out there. My garage isn't insulated at all by any means, so it's pretty cold in here. I'm going to show you what it's like to start this thing, or how to. I'm going to give it a turn of the key, one click, till you see your gauge cluster light up. You're going to rotate the key till you see the glow plug light come on. And you're going to hold it for 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.